Are you tired of struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? What if I told you there's a way to see real results in just 1 week? In this video, I'm going to share secret hacks that fitness gurus don't want you to know. Hacks that can help you burn belly fat faster than you ever thought possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: how to burn belly fat in just 1 week. Now, I know that sounds like one of those crazy claims you see in ads, but trust me, there are some real, practical strategies we can implement to kickstart our journey. So grab a snack, maybe a healthy one, and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the importance of mindset. If you're looking to shed some belly fat, it's crucial to approach this with the right attitude. It's not just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier lifestyle. So, let's ditch the all-or-nothing mentality. Instead of thinking, I have to lose this weight in a week or I'm a failure, let's focus on small, achievable goals that can lead to lasting change. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about how you feel and what you can do with your body. Now, the first hack I want to share with you is something that's often overlooked: hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health, but it's especially important when it comes to burning belly fat. When you're properly hydrated, your body functions better, your metabolism gets a boost, and you're less likely to confuse thirst with hunger. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and trust me, you'll feel the difference. If plain water is too boring for you, try infusing it with fruits or herbs. Lemon, mint, and cucumber are all great options that add flavor without extra calories. Next up, let's talk about what you're eating. If you want to see real changes in just 1 week, you need to pay attention to your diet. I'm not saying you have to go on some extreme diet. That's not sustainable and it's not fun. Instead, focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods into your meals. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber, which can help keep you full and satisfied while also supporting your metabolism. And here's a little secret: don't skip breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day for a reason. A high-protein breakfast can set the tone for your day and help curb cravings later on. Now, let's get into the fun stuff: exercise. If you want to burn belly fat, you need to get moving. But here's the thing: you don't have to spend hours at the gym. Short, high-intensity workouts can be incredibly effective. Think about incorporating some HIIT, high-intensity interval training, into your routine. It's all about alternating between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest. Not only does this type of workout burn more calories in a shorter amount of time, but it also keeps your metabolism revved up long after you've finished. Plus, it's a great way to keep things interesting and avoid the boredom that can come with longer workouts. And speaking of workouts, don't forget about strength training. Building muscle is key to burning fat, especially belly fat. Muscle burns more calories at rest compared to fat, so the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn, even when you're just chilling on the couch. You don't need to lift heavy weights to see results. Body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks can be incredibly effective. Try to incorporate strength training at least 2 or 3 times a week, and you'll start to see changes in your body. Now let's address something that can often be a roadblock in our journey: stress. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area. So it's super important to find ways to manage stress. This could be through meditation, yoga, or simply taking some time each day to do something you love. Even a short walk outside can help clear your mind and reduce stress levels. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. And while we're on the topic of stress, let's not forget about sleep. I know, it's easy to underestimate the power of a good night's sleep, but trust me, it's crucial. Lack of sleep can throw your hormones out of whack and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, turn off those screens an hour before bed, and make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Now here's a fun little hack that might surprise you: spice things up. Adding spices like cayenne pepper, ginger, and cinnamon to your meals can help boost your metabolism and aid in fat burning. Plus, they add flavor without adding calories. So don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Finally, let's talk about consistency. You might not see drastic changes in just 1 week, and that's okay. The key is to stick with these habits even after the week is over. Remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate the small victories along the way, whether it's fitting into those jeans you've been eyeing or simply feeling more energetic. So, there you have it. Some practical, relatable hacks to help you burn belly fat in just 1 week. Hydrate, eat whole foods, get moving, manage stress, prioritize sleep, spice it up, and most importantly, stay consistent. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Until next time, take care and keep pushing forward. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.